Hey everybody, welcome to Dumb Investing. I'm Lloyd,
I'm Harry.
and it's time to get dumb up in here. So this is our first episode that has all parts. And for those of you new to what we do here, we are Dumb Investing. We are
Lloyd, we're new to what we do here.
we are new. We need some training actually. So what we do here is we're having fun investing, and we are investing by total chance, luck, and a little bit of homework. So what we end up doing throughout the night is we're going to review our portfolio, the stuff we've already done, and hopefully you guys will get to see that we're so smart, we're so dumb at what we do. It's going to be great. We are then going to use some random dice and a random ticker picker to pick some stocks. We're going to do some homework on those stocks, and we're going to, with our collective genius, pick the best stock that we randomly find. We're going to buy that sucker tomorrow because we're doing this at night. We're both 9 to 5 average Joes. You know, this is what we do for fun when we're not doing real work. And so that's what we're going to do. So the first thing we're off to is we are going to check out the portfolio. How's the old investing doing? So how did dumb investing do yesterday or today?
Drum roll.
Drum roll. All right. Hit it, brother. Boom. All right. So for those of you that joined us yesterday, I think we had a whole nine of you watching, which is, yeah, it's totally awesome. It's more than my mom. So,
Thanks, Mom.
So we had bought FSD, and the way that worked is I set up a buy this morning before I left for work. So Webull executed it at basically yesterday's close is where I had put the limit. And so we bought at 1486, and we can see that it went down today and hovered around. It came back up. We were in the money for a while, and it closed right where we bought it. So I think overall we didn't do bad.
Well, considering how the rest of the market did today, it was pretty red.
How did the market do? And I don't have this set up yet, but I think this will show us the market, right? No, that one doesn't. There's the market. Maybe I should use the markets button.
That generally shows all of the red.
Would
that
be
happened anyways.
the comments. People are gonna. So there's an awful lot of red down here. S&P was down, Dow was down, NASDAQ was down. So the three mains were down. We were even. I would say
So
that's pretty dumb.
Day one. We beat
All
the
right.
market.
So day one, not bad at all. All righty. Well, that puts us on to rolling the dice. And let's see here.
And we're going to have more stocks to go through. So as we grow our portfolio, we'll have more and more to talk about. But slow going for now, one stock at a time, and it'll grow and hopefully into something big.
All right, stop that and share.
What a crazy day in the markets again today. Hey, another absolute red day over. Jerome Powell was speaking and Yellen was speaking.
Was that ever fun? Sorry, I am not good at jumping between my what I'm sharing here. Maybe I'll get better at this. So we want to do that right there.
Sorry, just some minor interruptions from the kiddos here.
No worries. I mean, people understand that we're normal guys. We got to deal with stuff like that.
Oh, where's my beer?
Liquid gold. Okay, so we are off to pick 3 stocks for today. The way we do this, folks, is the first thing we do is we roll a random dice. So our dice roll is saying a 3. So the next thing we do is we go to a random stock picker, and we click this sucker 3 times. 1, 2, 3, TBC. All right, so the first one we're going to look at is TBC. Go back here, a random dice roll. and a 1. That's fairly easy. I can count that one. SCKT will be the second stock we take a look at tonight. And our last stock is going to be a 2. Let's see here. So let's click that. 1, 2. Oh, that's working. Yeah. NTWK. All right. So
Wow, there's might be a theme to this.
what I like to do is I like to use Yahoo Finance. And what we're doing is between Harry and Lloyd, myself, we're going to just kind of see what kind of data is available to the average guy. You know, we're not using Bloomberg terminals or anything cool like that. We're just using what's out there and seeing if we can pick a winner. So let's see what we know about this stock.
NetSol Technologies.
Let's see. Long term. So they had a run up during the tech boom and they crashed just like everybody else and they haven't done it.
Yeah. Who did it say?
Wow.
So sorry, as you look there, I'm just going to pull up some other data on some other stock sources here.
Alrighty. So this isn't really doing much anything.
So a little bit of news from the company. Nothing earth-shattering. They appointed a new president relatively recently, it looks like.
Cool.
December 15th, 2020.
Well, they've made money for the last 3 years. They didn't make very much in 2020. I mean, it's barely positive, but they've got a lot of revenue. They've got 50-some million in revenue. I still don't know what they do. Nobody's talking about them. There's no recommendations. So NetSol Technologies designs, develops, markets, and exports software products to the automobile, financing and leasing, banking, and financial services industries.
Interesting.
So, yeah. So here's the play. As the economy improves, maybe more cars are going to be sold, but they can't build cars right now because of the chip shortage, because there's a drought in Taiwan. I don't remember what the whole story is, but something like that.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. I mean, cars, they're just having a hard time getting cars off the line right now because of the microchip shortage. And, you know, there's only, as far as I know, one manufacturer that makes their own microchips. And as far as I know, that's Tesla. So everyone else is at the mercy of the rest of the market. So that's a tough one. It's interesting. I mean, I know where I am, and I believe where you are, Lloyd, that cars are flying off the lot like crazy, no matter what, right? Like, so
Yep.
I don't know if there's going to be a ton more demand here if they're not making profit right now, if they're not selling their services to the car companies right now and the financing. I don't know if there's going to be an opportunity long term after this.
All right. I've seen enough.
Okay.
I'm on to the next. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Let's see our next one. SCKT is our next one. Socket Mobile.
Ooh.
All right. What do we know about Socket Mobile? Should we read about them first and then we'll look at their stats?
Yeah.
Come on, Yahoo.
Do a brief review of their fundamentals, as we'll probably call them their fundies.
Well, financials don't look very good. They don't have very much revenue and they sure aren't making money. And nobody else is talking about them. Socket Mobile produces data capture products for mobile applications used in business mobility markets all over.
Yeah. From what I see here, they launched a barcode scanner for iPhone 12s. I mean, don't get me wrong, the iPhone has tons of market penetration, but if you're going to limit yourself to one specific brand, I feel like you're limiting yourself. Now, that's just without knowing anything more about the company. There may be something else, but it looks like, and it's only working with iPhone 12s right at the moment. So interesting, very interesting.
Stock price had a run up just recently. I wonder what that was.
So DuraSled barcode scanner for Apple iPhone 12. Company said DuraSled is its first enterprise-grade barcode scanner for the iPhone 12. The DuraSled will give users access to professional grade scans. Such work includes delivery services, stock counting, and ticketing. Well, interesting. Just seems like a very small segment of a market to me.
Yeah, but they did drop 10% today.
They did drop 10% today, yeah.
So
But I think there was a run up. There was, well, look, if you look at their, what was it, 6 months? Geez, it just happened in late February. They went up from $830 up to what, $35?
Yeah, it looks like $350 up to $20.
$350. Okay.
Yeah. If just following those two data points. So they must have had some sort of a press release, got everybody excited, and then they all went, "Oh, my phone already does that."
Yeah.
I don't know, but these people, I don't want to poke fun at them. I'm sure they work hard for whatever they're creating there. It's not doing anything for me other than it's down 10% for the day. That may be, if we bounce tomorrow back to normal, which a Wednesday is usually an opposite of a Tuesday. So yeah, maybe. All right, let's go see the other one. Our last one.
I know Wednesday's the day after Tuesday. I didn't know it was the opposite.
Oh, there's this, the suit guys always say that Wednesdays are opposite of a Tuesday.
Okay. So now we're looking at TBC.
What is that?
So an AT&T 5.625% global note. Okay.
Yeah,
This is where we are dumb investors, because I have no idea what this means. I'm sure there's hundreds of people and thousands or millions that are probably going to be able to tell us what this is in the comments, if anybody's watching. Hi, Mom. But yeah, I don't know.
Oh, this is one of those things where we would have to do some homework and learn what this is actually doing.
Well, we won't have time for that. We got to pick one.
No, we do. We have to pick one. Well, what's your call on this? I don't want to pick this one just because I don't know enough about it. I say we pick the one that was down 10%.
Yeah. Okay. I'm good with that.
All right. So that was our SCTK, the iPhone dudes. We will try that, see if we get a bounce tomorrow. That may work out good, and we may decide to keep it a couple of days and that it really doesn't do anything for us. So with that, I think we did our research. We're doing our buy. We're about ready to end this. I would say thanks for joining us, guys. We really appreciate it. We're having a lot of fun doing this, and hopefully you guys come down this path with us and have a lot of fun too. And whatever you do, don't invest like Harry.
And don't invest like Lloyd. Good night.
Thanks, guys. Good night.